Did you know that the concept of a space station orbiting Earth to collect solar energy and transmit it back to our planet is not just a science fiction idea? It is a practical concept that is actively being pursued by various space agencies across the globe and could potentially be the solution to our energy crisis. This idea was first popularized by Isaac Asimov in his 1941 story Reason, and since then, futurists have been actively exploring its possibilities. Solar energy has several advantages when compared to fossil fuels and other energy sources. It is a freely available, renewable resource that has minimal impact on the environment and requires little maintenance. Moreover, advancements in solar panel technology have made it more efficient with each passing day. However, relying on solar energy poses some challenges. One of the significant ones is energy storage. Because solar energy can only be collected during daylight hours, it needs to be stored in large batteries to provide power during the night. Additionally, it is heavily dependent on good weather conditions, as cloud cover can significantly reduce the amount of energy that can be collected. If we could build a solar power station in space, it would solve these challenges. Such a station would be able to collect solar energy 24/7 without bulky batteries. Furthermore, if it were constructed in orbit, it would not be affected by the Earth's atmosphere, allowing for direct power transmission to where it is needed the most, such as large cities. It is not uncommon to use solar panels to power spacecraft, and this technology can be extended to power stations orbiting the Earth. Although such a power station would require larger solar panels and hardware capable of handling high voltages, these are incremental improvements that can be built upon current technologies. The transfer of power from the station to Earth would require wireless power transfer, which can be achieved using either lasers or microwaves. This technology has already been demonstrated on Earth, with power sent wirelessly over long distances. Therefore, it is feasible to transfer power wirelessly from an orbiting solar power station to Earth. Constructing a power station and launching it into space is a complex process that poses several challenges. One of the main issues is how to transport a structure of such magnitude into orbit, and how it can be maintained or repaired in case of any malfunction. To tackle this problem, many experts propose starting with a network of satellites that are easier to build and launch. If one of them fails, the rest will continue to operate. Another critical factor to consider is the efficiency of wireless power transmission technology. Currently, it is not fully effective. For practical purposes, a solar power station would need to be positioned in low Earth orbit, at an altitude of about 500 miles from the planet's surface. To make this feasible, improvements in wireless power transmission efficiency are required, along with a powerful antenna that can transmit all the collected power to Earth. While the technology to accomplish all of this is not yet developed, it is not entirely beyond our capabilities. With continued research and advancements in technology, it may be possible to establish a space-based solar power station in the future. According to experts, space-based solar power technology could become a reality sooner than we anticipated. Although it might appear to be a concept far into the future, some people on Earth could start using power from a small space-based solar system by the mid-2030s. This achievement would coincide with the 100-year anniversary of the publication of Asimov's story. The progress from a mere science fiction concept to a tangible scientific reality within just a century is impressive.